goes with the HGDO 10 4G Car DVR Camera Android 8.1 Stream Media Rearview Mirror. This innovative device revolutionizes your driving experience by combining advanced technology with seamless functionality. Traditional rearview mirrors have their limitations, often obstructed by headrests or rear pillars, leaving blind spots that compromise safety. But with the streaming media dash cam feature of the HGDO 10, you get an expansive field of vision, approximately 3 times greater than a standard mirror. Whether it's day or night, rain or shine, enjoy unparalleled visibility that enhances your confidence on the road. One of the standout features of the HGDO 10 is its impressive 10-inch full-view touchscreen. Experience crystal clear images with zero delay, akin to a stream flowing effortlessly. Thanks to the WDR wide dynamic range and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror, you'll enjoy vivid visuals that make every detail pop. Customize your viewing experience effortlessly with the adjustable angle feature. Whether you want to focus on the front or rear image, simply swipe your finger to find the perfect angle. This flexibility ensures that you always have the optimal view of your surroundings, enhancing both safety and convenience. But the HGDO 10 isn't just about enhanced visibility, it's also a hub of connectivity and entertainment. With built-in 4G and two-way Wi-Fi connection, you can stay connected on the go and enjoy a host of entertainment options, making your driving experience more enjoyable than ever. Moreover, the HGDO 10 prioritizes your safety with its comprehensive road safety warning systems. The Lane Departure Warning System (LDWS) alerts you when your vehicle veers off course, reducing the risk of accidents caused by distracted driving. Meanwhile, the Forward Collision Warning System (FCWS) calculates real-time distances between your vehicle and others, issuing early warnings to prevent potential collisions. Additionally, the Front Vehicle Departure Warning (FVDW) ensures you stay alert at intersections or in traffic, preventing delayed responses to moving vehicles ahead.